Akhtar Ali, a former Deputy Superintendent of RG Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, has filed a petition in the Kolkata High Court requesting an ED investigation into alleged financial irregularities by the hospital's former principal, Sandeep Ghosh. The petition filed on Wednesday seeks a thorough investigation into the alleged misconduct during Ghosh's tenure. Justice Rajshri Bhardwaj has accepted the petition. Previously, Ali had launched a police complaint against Ghosh, accusing him of criminal activities and significant financial gain from the hospital. Ali's concerns were initially ignored, prompting him to take the matter to court. In response to a plea from Ghosh's family for protection, Justice Bhardwaj has ordered the Calcutta police to ensure their safety. The state government's advocate informed the court that Ghosh is already under police protection, which will now be enhanced. The Federation of All India Medical Association has submitted a petition to the Supreme Court seeking an interim protection for doctors until the recommendations of the court-appointed National Task Force are fully implemented. They are also requested the inclusion of a resident doctor's representative in the task force. This follows the Supreme Court's decision taken suo motu to address the violent incident involving a training doctor at RG Medical College Hospital in Kolkata. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud along with Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra ordered the creation of the National Task Force to address systematic issues concerning doctors' safety. FIMA emphasized that doctors often face violence, particularly from the families of deceased patients, leading to severe consequences. The petition outlines three key demands for interim measures: the installation of CCTV surveillance in sensitive areas to ensure the safety of medical staff, a 24/7 emergency distress call facility for immediate assistance, and ensuring that the number of available beds is proportional to the number of doctors on duty during long shifts. Delhi's Patiala House Court reviewed the regular bail plea of Rashid Engineer, an MP accused in a terror funding case in Jammu and Kashmir. The court issued a notice to the NIA and the next hearing is set for August 28. Previously, the court granted Rashid a 2-hour custody parole on July 5 to take his oath as a Lok Sabha member. Rashid won the 2024 Lok Sabha election from Baramulla, defeating former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Umar Abdullah by around 1 lakh votes. He is currently held in Tihar jail, having been arrested in 2017 in connection with the terror funding case. The Delhi High Court has granted relief to Pooja Khedkar, a dismissed trainee IS officer from Maharashtra, by extending the stay on her arrest until August 29th. During today's hearing, Khedkar's lawyer requested more time to respond to the reply from UPSC, which was received only yesterday. Justice Subramaniam Prasad scheduled the next hearing from August 29th. Khedkar is accused of abusing her power and using a fake certificate to benefit from reservation quotas. She has challenged the Patiala High Court's decision to deny her anticipatory bail in the High Court. Following these allegations, the central government formed a 1-member panel to investigate the claims against her. Special Judge Kaveri Baveja of Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has extended the judicial custody of BRS leader K. Kavita in the Delhi excise scam case until August 28th. Kavita, whose custody was set to expire on Wednesday, appeared in the court via video conferencing. Earlier on August 9, the court had initially placed her in judicial custody until today. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.